Hey, check this out. I made a checkered board on my kid's table. Let me show you how I did it. I had to go for a little hike to find a piece of metal. Now, I am a framer, I am not a metal worker, so jokes in the comments. It is what it is. But I managed to come up with this about quarter-inch thick, 1 foot by 1 foot-ish chunk of metal. I'm going to cut a 2 inch by 2 inch square out of it so that I can use it to burn my chess checkerboard pattern on the table. Well, that was fun. So what I did here was basically I got a 16 by 16 2 inch squares. I X'd out every other one so I didn't accidentally get the wrong holes, black out the wrong holes when I covered it up. And then I just torched it. Of course, it did start to build up a little bit of oil um from the pine, and it did kind of goob out. And then when I tried to sand it, it didn't sand out too well. Learned a few things, but it turned out kind of cool. Gonna epoxy top and build a few benches. Let me know what you think.